The BMW E90 is one of the cars I would buy for a first car. Welcome back to another video, guys. You might be asking yourself why I would buy this car for a first car, right? And most of you might disagree, but from the driving experience and the performance, I think it's quite okay buying this car for a first car, so why not buy it? And as you can see, there's some damage on the front bumper, and I won't say anything about that damage, but the exterior of this BMW 320i looks completely, one thing I would say, it looks good, right? It doesn't look old, it doesn't look 10 years old, it looks good. But people say that never judge a book by its cover and never trust the opinions of others. So if you'd like to come and see it for yourself, you can come, you can DM us. But one thing I can tell you is that this car, when it was bought at the price of 115,000 at the time, and which it was reasonable because the mileage was 139,000 kilometers. And since this is a family sedan, it also has been going to a lot of family vacations, and it now has 159 kilometers on the clock because of all those family vacations. Throughout its time since being bought, it hasn't had any major issues or fixes other than it costing the owner 1,000 rand for an alternator, and it once stayed in first gear due to low transmission fluid levels, which was also fixed by the owner. But besides that, this car is okay. And as you can see, it has a sunroof, which in 2011, having a sunroof was one of the best things you could have in a car compared to now, whereas you don't care even if you have a sunroof. The interior is comfortable and premium, considering that this car is over 10 years old, and it has functioning cup holders and an armrest for your driver and passenger. And I'll tell you about the armrest for the passengers at the back, and the steering wheel is huge. And one thing I didn't like is that it doesn't have power steering. So that's a downside. But anyways, look here, we're testing out the headspace and the legroom, which is decent for the 320i being a family sedan. And this is the armrest which I was telling you about, which doesn't have cup holders, which is, by the way, I don't fancy at all. But you have some vents for your aircon vents. Those on top of the dashboard, I think they're for your screen while it's raining and all that. And you have two cup holders on the passenger side for the driver and the passenger. And you have some aircon controls there and volume controls. We couldn't test out the sound quality due to copyright issues, but this car, all in all, is a great car, besides it being 10 years old. My first thought when I came to review this car was that it didn't have a quality interior. But look at these controls right here, guys. They aren't electronic, but they are great for a 2011 car. At the time, it was amazing. As you can see here, we have those aircon controls which I was telling you about. Let's leave the aircon controls for a moment, guys. I want to show you something. Look at the sunroof, guys. It operates just like the current 320i, which has a sunroof for any other BMW. Look at the sunroof, guys. It's quite amazing. Considering that this car is 10 years old and maybe even over 10 years old, it has a quite decent boot space. As you can see, the boot is about to be opened. The boot space, I don't know the liters of the boot space, but one thing I can tell you that you can store your spare wheel, and you have some storage on the sides for maybe your office books or something. But underneath, you can store it for your spare wheels also. And if you like to buy an old 3 Series, it's up to you guys. We also have Mr. Muzisambo, who bought one, but his is a 2006 or 2008, I'm not sure. But we'll see what problems he gets on in the near future, since we've already seen what kind of problem he has. But look at this car, guys. This car looks amazing. Look at the back of this car, the rear of this car. It looks amazing. So guys, thank you for watching this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe to get more content like this. And also, don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that your family and friends know before buying a 2011 320i. But guys, thank you for watching this video once more, and I hope you enjoyed it. So please guys, support local YouTube. Don't be greedy. Please subscribe and drive safe, guys. Much love. See you in the next video.